Hey, I'm Tuffy, and I'm getting ready to share with you one of my favorite ways to cook pork ribs on my Weber Smoky Mountain, and we're gonna be using the 18-inch model. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an X pattern of wood. When I am cooking on my Weber Smoky Mountain, I prefer to use briquettes. So I've got my apple wood in an X pattern, and now I'm just gonna cover that wood with some of my briquettes. So it just about covers all the wood, and the ring is almost full. I'm gonna take 2 lighter cubes and get those going, and then I have already taken my chimney, loaded it halfway with briquettes, and I am just gonna place that right on top. We're gonna let this burn until all the briquettes and the charcoal chimney are burning cleanly, and then we'll pour those lit coals onto the unlit coals. So my coals in my chimney, they're burning nicely now, and we're just gonna dump this right in the center, and we're gonna put the Weber Smoky back together, put some water in the water pan, put the lid on it, and let it come up to temp. I'm gonna have all my intake at the bottom halfway open, and then my exhaust I'm gonna have halfway open, and let this Weber Smoky Mountain come up to about 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which is my preferred temperature when cooking ribs.